how to allow or don't allow deleting apps on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down, and in here, tap on Screen Time. Next, we scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. After that, in here, we go down and tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Then tap on Deleting Apps. And then from here, you can choose Allow. This will allow you to delete apps. If you select Don't Allow, then you will not be able to delete the app. So let's test it out. Let's say I want to delete this app. You can see if I tap on Remove App, there are no option for me to uninstall apps. So I can just remove the shortcut, but I cannot actually remove the app. And here, if I choose Allow, this time you can see I have the option to delete the app. So I will just wait for this one to update the change. So here we try it again. So remove app, and here you can see I can now delete app. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.